LWPython records the output of the if statement test in the control map. Later, LWPython uses the control map to decide what to do when it encounters an elif or an else statement. The control map entry format is tab number and the pair if and the test value. The key tab number is the tab number of the current if statement, and the entry value contains test value, which is the output of the if statement test. Pair is a simple way to represent two values. We could have also used a two-element stack. For example, consider the following program. First, LWPS executes the statement in line 1 tab 0, which is an if statement. The output of the test expression is true. LWPS then creates an entry in the control map. The key is 0, and the value is the pair if true. This entry indicates that an if statement test at tab 0 is true. Let's go through the rest of the program. Note that line 4 is skipped. This is because the if statement test was true. We will study the else statement shortly. The control map is also used in other Python statements that have bodies, such as loops and functions. Next, let's more precisely describe the if statement behavior.